how to work on Excel. I'm going to format and link this sheet together, and also teach you how to use Excel using Excel formula. So trying to get the EBITDA for 2023 type is equal to, you can find it here. You pick, you press enter key. The data will come up automatically is equal to, you come back, you pick this one, you press enter key. Then you pick this one, you come here, you press enter key. So we want to calculate the margin. The margin, to calculate the margin, it will be the gross margin minus what will give us margin will be this gross minus this all over this percentage. So I can come down here. Let's calculate the margin. Is equal to this divided by this percentage. Enter key. Let's convert it to percentage. Like that. It's equal to.
Perce les pinces. Make it into 2 decimal places. Let me find. Let's format it. I can plot a graph from this place. The graph for the EBITDA margin. We move to insert. Let's select the data area.
Let me change it to change it to 5 charts.